All right. Give a shot at getting out. Well, you want a shot at getting out.
And in some 11 minutes, step out into the high country of the San State Park at an elevation of 8,500 feet. We'll travel over 2.5 miles a cable. At the top, the temperature averages some 40 degrees cooler. The wildlife will have changed, and the trees, flowers, and shrubs. We'll travel over 5 towers on our journey. The tallest is Tower 1 at 227 feet, much the same as a 21-story building. It's the only tower accessible by road. All other towers and the mountain station had to be constructed by transporting workers and materials to the various sites by helicopters. With the new rotating fan cars, the improvements included new cable drive system and the removal of 1,000 cubic yards of rock. We'll see surveys that indicate where rock removal is required.
How that window open?
The new cabin, the first in the Western Hemisphere, presents a 300-degree and largest We're now in the bottom of the Jacino Canyon. Once the summer off, the Agua Caliente Band of Coy Indians. Since there are many streams that flow year-round, the canyon has an abundance of vegetation, including sycamore, cottonwood, alder, black maple, and a great deal of wild grapevine. To the left, or south of the band car, is but one of the many waterfalls fed by runoff from the mountain. During our upward journey, we passed through a variety of different landscapes, ranging from the Sonoran Desert to the Alpine Tram. It's a little like making a motor trip from Mexico to Alaska. We believe this is the only place in Southern California where this change occurred. As we approach tower number 2, top of the tower, you can see a 16 by 16 foot helicopter platform used during construction and now used during the tram's maintenance period. Additional platforms will be seen on the remaining towers along our journey. As you no doubt already know, tram car transition, track cable, power saddle, and active track cable is motion. Result of the car moving from the track to power to track. The original tramway was designed and built by the Palm Company of Bern, Switzerland, and all moving parts and cables are Swiss-made. The towers are there's a total of 27 miles of various sized cables. The largest areas are the arrive. They weigh just under 9 pounds a foot, with each of these track cables 13,500 feet in length. Therefore, the halfway point of our trip, towers while the car is traveling faster, it's actually moving exactly the same speed. It must, because both cars are tied together with cables, which move with the car. You see, the drive system at the Valley Station is pulling that car down, and in turn is pulling us up. The two cars are 34 feet apart. The Palm Springs Aerial Tramway was first conceived in the early 1930s by a young electrical engineer, the late Francis Crocker, who to this day is known as the father of the tramway. The original tramway was completed in September 1963 after 26 months of construction at a cost of $8.5 million, all of the sale of revenue bonds. In April of 1980, the Palm Springs Aerial Tramway contracted with the Von Roll Tramway under construction and installation of rotating tram, one of which you were right, at a total cost, well, just as in the very beginning. No tax dollars were used in the cost of construction and the operation of the tramway. Never mind. So,
There's no scale. So when we first get up, we'll take photographs. Yeah, that's outside.
Try to have the biggest swing. You might want to hold on.
Take a swing. You ready?
Between towers 3 and 4, reach the longest span. Cable stretched over. Wow. Guard is one of the most dramatic sights of our entire trip. The majestic spires visible in the distance, the solid granite core of the mountain. As we continue our journey, the life zone changes between the mountains. You'll see a variety of pine trees, pinyon, big bone, lodgepole. Natural residents of the high country include deer, mountain lion, fox, bobcat, raccoon, and the California tree squirrel.
Where's that? Backed up against the mountain, right?
That's Jacino right there.
So she's the little one.
She's the little one?
Yeah, on the right versus the big one on the left.
No, that's Landau right there. You see Landau and Jacino?
His towers are full, 57.5 feet tall, located at an elevation of 7,500.
I thought she was on this side of
feet
the
above sea level. There, the view is truly spectacular.
No, you can't yet. When that ridge comes over, you can.
Below, you will be able to see the desert cities of the Valley and far south.
That's where all our water comes from.
Off to the left of our travel is Fred, Jane, Otter, and on the right of our travel is San Gorgonio at 11,400 feet. Southern California. We are nearing the end of our journey. Within the state parks and wilderness are more than 54 miles of summer hiking trails and in winter, many miles of snowshoeing cross-country ski opportunities. It is, by the way, one of the very few wilderness areas of Southern California.
Come to watch it in the depot, drink water.
Moderately easy trail.
Drinking alcohol and then I was still sitting outside drinking.
Those who listen on the mountain station will be sure to have clothing or gear. Please stay on the prepared trails till this magnificent wilderness setting. In the mountain station, you'll discover the Tram restaurant with one of the finest panoramic views in the world, a cocktail. It's available as well as a gift and apparel shop. A video on the construction of the renovation is shown in the small theater in 30 minutes. From the first deep snow until spring, the Adventure Center is in operation with snow tubing, snowshoeing, cross-country ski equipment rental. The center is a concrete trail. During summer weekends, state park volunteers conduct nature walks through Long Valley. Times are posted at the mountain station. The tramway departments are announced on the public address system. We hope you'll enjoy a visit to this beautiful wilderness environment, and we thank you for being with us on the Palm Springs Aerial Tramway.